Hello and welcome back, audience, to the firework night of Brinaman. So yes, it is another night at Brinaman. I think I've just said that. But it doesn't matter, because it's firework night.
Oh, you missed that.
I didn't want to sit by you because you smell. I can't see anything. No, I can. You have my hat. You have my hat. Why'd you have my hat? I need my hat to stay warm. So, what do you think about... No, Jenna, don't do that. What do you think about the firework display?
I think it's gonna be rubbish.
You think it's going to be rubbish?
And great.
And great. So yes, that's firework. That's the bonfire. So anyway, this is my sister. So yes, you saw the preparation for firework night. Now this is the actual thing. I can't see my camera because the LED's so bright.
Yeah, and
Jenna.
And plus my brother is random,
I'm
so
random.
he can't see his LED.
I can't see the Here's Daddy. Where's Fasha? Oh, I gotta switch the light off. So yes,
Fasha works.
sit back and enjoy. Damn it, I missed it.
Next door neighbours.
I'm going to put my hat on your head, Jenna.
There goes the next door neighbours.
That's the problem.
Yours.
Damn you next door neighbours. Nobody likes you.
No one likes you next to neighbours.
Because they're horses.
It's the fireworks is lit.
And he pointed it at
And he's off with a flying start. Oh, that was so cool.
and he's pointing the fireworks at a 30 degrees angle, so it's going into the field.
Well, yes, the trajectory or something. 16, 12.
45, 24, 9, 18.
Okay, Callum, enough with the counting.
1.
Enough with the counting.
Come on, mister.
Come on, fireworks!
Daddy, run!
So yes, this is firework night. That's the patio heater.
And I'm about to go unconscious.
It's Jenna in the LED. And now she's gone. Oh, we're bringing out the big boys.
And I'm about to go unconscious.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Right. The big boys! He hasn't lit it. Where's my robot?
Where's your robot? Oh yeah, we couldn't send Jesus 2000 up. We couldn't send Jesus 2000 up.
Yes.
No, we couldn't because it was
not?
too heavy.
No, we're gonna stick a thing inside it and boomer and blow it up.
It's gonna be a big boomer.
Yeah.
So yes, well the other two have gone. It's now just me, my sister.
And the fireworks.
You're a fireworks. You what, Father? You haven't got a launcher.
It hasn't got a
Jesus 2000. Jesus 2000.
It is Jesus 2000. It turns into whatever you want, and it is edible.
And it tastes like cheese.
And it tastes like cheese. But it's advised not to try and eat it, because it's made of cardboard, plastic, and other things.
Costs 50 pence.
And it costs 50 pence. So yes, buy one.
Scratch you find in the house.
Yes. Ah! 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 It's a patio heater. I'm being raped.
My robot.
Oh, smoky.
Me.
It's Jenna.
Listen, I bet it's,
And she's gone.
I bet it's the first time that's happened
It's
to
the
you.
moon.
Chris, I bet it's the first time that's happened to you, being raped by a robot.
She's strangling me.
Can I take this one to you from you?
Boom. Yes, you might as well. Yeah, don't drop my
I
phone.
won't.
Look at my jumper.
Ooh.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Ooh.
That's one of those songs. I win. Yes.
Ooh.
No, get rid of Jesus 2000.
He's going
Oh, Jenna, pass me the camera. Okay.
Try to do my fireworks.
Does Jesus 2000 have any last words
Before going on the firework.
before going up in the air? We have always known him to be one of the most silent people on earth. Now will he say something before it is too late?
Bye bye.
Oh my god, he's mutated! He's got a hand coming out of him! Baba?
Daddy!
The blah blah. Is this LED burning your eyes?
No.
No? How about you?
Oh. There's another one going up.
There's another one going up.
Wave goodbye to the firework.
Oh, Jesus. Get back.
Oh my god!
I told you to get back. That went wrong.
Jeez.
That went wrong.
Look at the top, look at the bottom of the firework.
Jesus, that was like...
Armageddon.
Holy...
Where did that one come from?
Holy dear.
Tristan,
Yeah?
I want to switch off that silly video camera
Yeah, I'll switch it off.
all night.
Okay.
Generating junk.
It's not junk.
Look at my tall grass.
Oh dear.